In this video, I'm gonna show you how you can get dice in Monopoly Go. So the first way is by taking your daily treats or simply logging in. As you can see, every day that we log in, we get a different amount of dice. So for day 3, I'm just going to collect this, we get 30 dice. The second way of getting dice in Monopoly Go is by completing these quick wins. So every day they reset, and as you can see, if you meet the criteria right here and you fill in this all the way, you get dice. And also you can get dice from simply claiming these individual wins. So as you can see right here, we can get 10 dice. So that is the second way of getting dice in Monopoly Go. Now the third way is by claiming our daily free box. So right here, when you go to the store and you click on this free box, as you can see, this time we got 62 dice for completely free. So another way of getting dice in Monopoly Go is by participating in tournaments. So if we click on the right hand side right here, we can see that what the current tournament is. And right here, if you get up to the 15th spot, if you're top 15, you will get dice as a reward. Now another way of getting dice is by completing the main events. So for example, right here, Epic Myths, as you can see, the current goal is getting 5 points, and that is 1.9 mil for me. And the next one could be dice, so you just gotta keep on getting points, and that way you have a chance of getting dice by participating in the main event. And the last way of how you can get dice is by clicking on your albums right here, and by completing albums you will get dice. So for example, this first album that just reset, if we get all of the cards right here, all of the stickers, we will get 130 dice, so on and so forth. We got plenty of albums, and if you manage to complete all, you will get 15,000 dice. So those are some ways of how you can get dice in Monopoly Go. Hope this was helpful. Don't forget to like and sub, and I'll see you next time.